Hello? Hello? No, it didn't say. You swipe down. Oh, good morning or good night or good afternoon. Yeah. So today I'm gonna now. Okay. Goodbye.
What?
You play first.
Toilet?
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Are you trolling, bro?
No.
Okay. Why do you need the toilet so much? You went just a few minutes ago.
I went. Yeah, no.
Then what are you doing?
Toilet.
Okay, never mind. Guys, this is the most sickest slime game I have ever played. I made a lot of slimes, bro. If you're wondering what the A is for, it's for nothing. I'm gonna make a slime, guys. Comment down below if I should make another slime. I'm gonna make this putty. Pour in some water, add activator, white glue, stir it.
Hello.
Hello?
I'm getting on this bunk bed.
Okay, guys, in case you don't know, we live on a bunk bed.
Does not matter.
We have a new channel, guys. Actually, no. It's
Our
Huggy and
Frosty's
channel. Huggy's.
It's
like,
our pet. Yeah.
What? It's not our pets. It's
a
actually
toy.
just a toy. It's like a plush toy you can get at Ocean Park. But they feel like they're alive, right?
Yeah, so cute. We both have one. So
Yeah.
They're not that expensive. It's a bit expensive.
It's a bit expensive.
Name it.
April Fool's
Day.
Prank slime.
You can't do it that long, you know.
Okay, done.
Slime.
Slim.
Oh yeah, slim.
Dude, I'm doing it.
Wait,
Wait,
that's where is it? Oh, it's here.
I'm actually
The
doing
bread.
it, bro. Wait, where's R? I found it.
Oh, here.
Wait, what? That's a great
Tissue. Where's the tissue?
tissue.
Where is it, dude?
Oh, it was there. It's there. Why?
It's just a joke. April Fool's Day, guys.
I couldn't click it. We were acting strange.
It's actually not April Fool's Day because it's
Because we
April
forgot.
2.
I actually didn't forget.
I didn't forget.
You didn't forget. I forgot because there was like all kinds of pranks in Among Us and like the thing, but I
No,
didn't
because
play
yesterday I tried to play Among Us and then
the whole
suddenly-
map was flipped.
No, it said Happy Fool's Day. Enjoy easy still.
What?
It's the skill, right? Because the April Fool's Day so it's flipped, so it's still. I don't know how to read it. And then it's flipped, so it's Yes. Ready?
No,
Aww.
I don't want to.
快啲啦，下次再嚟咯。
No,
你唔同 Ashley 一齊落去咩？
I want to. I don't want her to go.
快啲行啦咁樣，媽媽等緊你啦，快啲啊！
No. If we don't go down, she can't go home.
行啦，
Bring
自己
Huggy. Let's go.
I'm bringing Huggy though.